When you finish your mold remediation, but before you have your clearance testing, you want to clean the air as well as you can by running air scrubbers. In this case, we're going to run a combination air scrubber and hydroxyl generator, the BoiE Ultra. This is a HEPA filtration unit. I just replaced the HEPA filter, and that will screen out lots of contaminants in the air and get the air pretty clean. In addition, what's nice about this is this will kill VOCs and odors in this area, and one of the biggest odors we have right now are the paint fumes. We can reduce those at the same time killing mold, bacteria, viruses, anything that's in the air using a device. So what we're going to do on this one is we're going to be activating the UV lights. The airflow will come through, travel across the catalyst, then up into the device, and expelling the clean air on the other side. Now I have on safety glasses to look at this because this is UVC light, which is a dangerous type of light that damages the skin. It's also deadly to bacteria, viruses, and mold. Now if you look at this tube running into this, you're going to see a gas coming out of there. That is a vapor. It can either be water vapor, or in this case is hydrogen peroxide vapor. When you add that to your mixture, you end up having tons of formations of hydroxyl radical particles that's created from the moisture and the hydrogen peroxide coming into the machine. And that process is what will take and sterilize the air, and it will exit out the other side as clean as can be. You run this for a couple of hours or so, and it has a much greater effect on scrubbing the air than you would having a normal air scrubber. So we're going to use this for a couple hours in here. It's going to purge all the air, and what it's going to do to the paint vapor in here is it's going to basically take all those VOCs, what little there are, but there's still some, and it's going to convert those into fresh air so that when we do our mold testing, it's not going to smell like a bunch of drying paint. So we'll do this first. It's very quiet operating.